Today we have a question. The given question is taken from A-level chemistry past papers and most probably appeared in MDCAT and ECAT exam. So the question is, ammonia a weak base. Ammonia is a weak base, is treated with nitric acid. Nitric acid is a strong acid. So the titration between weak base and strong acid, the change in pH is recorded. The change in pH is recorded in the graph. So there are four different graphs we have, and which of the following graphs would you expect to present the titration? So when we have weak base, the pH vary from 8 to 10 or 9 to 11. So there are two graphs, start from 13 and 12.5, I think. So graph number B and graph D is eliminated because of the pH of ammonia is between 8 to 10. So the pH in this graph is about 13 and about 12.5 or 12. So these both graphs will be eliminated. So when we talk about the graph C and graph A, so these both have same starting point, approximately 8 to 9 pH. Both have same starting point, 8 to 9 pH. But so when we talk about the weak base and strong acid, so the equivalence point is about in this direction. When we talk about the graph number C, so starting point when added a strong acid, no change, and slightly change, slightly decline, and again pH according to this graph. So in graph C, the end point will be according to this graph 3 to 4 pH. But the strong acid have the pH is 1 to 2 pH level. Strong acid have 1 to 2 pH. So the graph end point 3 to 4 pH will be eliminated. When we talk about the graph A, starting point is from 8 to 9. This is the equivalence point, and suddenly decrease the graph because of the strong acid. Because of the strong acid. Strong acid decrease immediately graph, and the end point will be pH 1 or 2. So the right answer is graph A. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the next notification.